Hello student, the new topic of this chapter is external respiration. As I would see that the external respiration means the exchange of gases take place between these alveoli of the lungs and blood or RBC of the blood. Let's see gases from the lungs which enters into the bloods and the carbon dioxide from this blood which enter into the alveoli. That's the exchange get that known as external respiration. Now this in external respiration, let us see if we see the structure of this alveoli which is a single layer structure. This alveoli, it is a single layer structure. It is made up of from squamous epithelium. It is a squamous epithelium. That's squamous means flat cell. They are arranged in a single layers. Then this alveoli which is surrounded by the network of capillaries, this blood capillaries which is surrounded by each and every alveoli, and then which is directly connected to close contact with this alveolar wall. Then this capillary wall also made up from this squamous epithelium. Let us see that this is the capillaries now which is surrounded by this alveolar sac, and this wall of this alveolar capillaries also made by the thin squamous epithelium like that of this wall of this alveoli. The wall of capillaries and alveoli, these are the similar structure, they are of the same structurally. Then both the layer are thin and which compactly arranged to each other. Then these two membranes of these capillaries two membranes that combinedly it is known as the respiratory membrane. This is the respiratory membrane. Because of this, both are similar structure and they are closely contact to each other. There is an exchange of gases take place through this membrane from the alveoli into the blood and from the blood into the alveoli. That's the gas exchange, and this exchange of gas is known as external respiration. Then next, these gases can be exchanged from this alveolar sac into the bloods and from the blood into the alveolar sac through this membrane, respiratory membrane, by the process of diffusion. Now that's the diffusion. You know that the diffusion means translocation of the ion or substance from the higher concentration to the lower concentration. Okay. Then these gases can be exchanged across the membrane due to difference in pressure gradient between the alveoli and bloods. That's there is a difference between the partial pressure between the gases of this alveoli and bloods. Now this to make up to the equilibrium. Now this partial pressure of the carbon dioxide of the blood and partial pressure of the oxygen in the blood is the first concept. Then second one is the alveoli. जे alveoli मध्ये जे असणार ब्लड, the partial pressure of CO2 in the alveoli and partial pressure of O2 in the alveoli. This difference in partial pressure, there is a exchange of gases take place. Then what happen? First of all, see that the partial pressure of carbon dioxide of the blood. First of all, we see that this is the capillary which is coming from the pulmonary artery which is surrounded by this alveolar sac, which then goes into pulmonary vein. This pulmonary artery which carry the deoxygenated blood towards the lungs, towards the alveoli, and this pulmonary vein which carry the oxygenated blood, where the air is filtered, air is get in oxygenated. That's the blood is oxygenated with the air fills by the air sacs. Then the partial pressure of the carbon dioxide of the blood enter the pulmonary arteries is 45 mm of Hg. That's फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आपण जेव्हा पाहतो की जेव्हा इनप्युअर ब्लड येते की डिऑक्सिजनेटेड ब्लड असेल त्यामध्ये ब्ल्यू आरबीसी दिसत आहेत आपल्याला. ब्ल्यू आरबीसी म्हणजे काय? दीज आर द डिऑक्सिजनेटेड ब्लड वेअर द हाय कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन ऑफ CO2 इनसाइड दिस. देअर partial pressure is 45 mm of Hg. Then the partial pressure of carbon dioxide in alveolar air sac is 40 mm of Hg. दॅट मीन्स इथे आपण पाहिलं की ब्लडमध्ये असणारं कार्बन डायऑक्साईडचं प्रमाण हे 45 mmHg आहे आणि ॲल्युलायमध्ये 40 mmHg. इज अ पार्शियल, देर इज अ डिफरन्स इन पार्शियल प्रेशर बिटवीन दिस bloods and the alveoli. Therefore, more pressure on inside the blood. Therefore, diffusion of this CO2 from blood into the alveoli take place. That's the due to this difference in the pressure, carbon dioxide diffuse from this membrane, that is capillary membrane, into the alveolar membrane, which enter into the alveolus. Now that's first one. Now let us the second one. What happens? Similarly, the partial pressure of oxygen which is present inside the pulmonary artery is 40 mmHg. कारण डिऑक्सिजन ब्लड आलेलं असते, डिऑक्सिजन ब्लडमध्ये ऑक्सिजनचं प्रमाण कमी आहे, त्यामुळे त्याचं पार्शियल प्रेशर किती आहे तिथं? दिस पार्शियल प्रेशर ऑफ ऑक्सिजन इनसाइड द ब्लड इज 40 mmHg. हे कोणते असेल? डिऑक्सिजन ब्लडमध्ये असेल. देन नेक्स्ट वन, द पार्शियल प्रेशर ऑफ ऑक्सिजन इनसाइड द एअर सॅक is 104 mmHg. Inside the alveoli, they are the 104 mmHg. Therefore, there is more of partial pressure of oxygen inside the alveoli rather than the blood. Then what happen? This diffusion of this due to this difference, oxygen diffuses from this alveolar sac into the blood capillaries. Now, this is the simple way or simple term, that's how these gases can be exchanged. Gases can be exchanged due to the difference in partial pressure between this capillary membrane, blood capillaries and the alveoli sac. This first one is entering blood, this deoxygenated blood, and the blood which goes outside, that's the oxygenated blood to the pulmonary vein, artery and veins. Now there is a difference between. Let us see the, in short we can say that in a table, this is the partial pressure of CO2 and O2 in alveoli, and this different partial pressure of CO2 and O2 in the blood capillaries. Now let us see the first one, that is the partial pressure of the CO2 in alveoli is 40 mmHg. कारण आपण जेव्हा एअर इनटेक करतो लंग्समध्ये तेव्हा त्याच्यात कार्बन डायऑक्साईड कमी असते, ऑक्सिजन जास्त असतो, म्हणजे पार्शियल प्रेशर ऑफ CO2 इज 40 mmHg. आणि ज्यावेळेस ब्लडमध्ये असणार पार्शियल प्रेशर असते 45 mmHg. त्यामुळे काय होते की देर इज अ डिफ्युजन ऑफ दिस CO2 फ्रॉम दिस ब्लड कॅपिलरीज इन टू दी alveoli. दिस इज वन, इज अ फर्स्ट टर्म. सेकंड टर्म आपल्याला सांगता येते की विच रिलेटेड टू ऑक्सिजन. ऑक्सिजन जेव्हा आपण alveoli पाहतो ते alveoli 100 किंवा 104 इतका ऑक्सिजन जे असतो mmHg. देन द ऑक्सिजन इन द ब्लड, डिऑक्सिजनेटेड ब्लडमध्ये, डिऑक्सिजनेटेड ब्लड ऑलरेडी काय म्हणते, डिऑक्सिजनेटेड ब्लड, देर इज अ लॅक ऑफ दी और लो अमाऊंट ऑफ दी ऑक्सिजन. 40 mmHg हे जर रिझर्व असतो त्याच्यापेक्षा कमी होत नाहीत. देन व्हॉट हॅपन, द मोर पार्शियल प्रेशर ऑफ दिस ऑक्सिजन इन alveoli and less in capillaries. Therefore, diffusion of this oxygen takes place from this alveoli into the lungs. In this way, there is an exchange of gases take place between the blood and alveoli, and that's indicate that the external respiration, the respiration which exchange of gases between these alveoli and the blood capillaries.